MilSimJunkie.com, baby.
Let's go! Run! Shoot! Hey guys, I just got shot in the ass!
Well, I couldn't dissolve it.
They're saying that the dummy's in the bedroom.
Master bedroom?
I think it's, yeah, I think it's
Because we're not seeing any in there.
Hey, you got hit?
Pardon me?
We saw something bounce off of you.
Holding like a gangster, dude. Yeah. Start shooting into the roof. Start shooting into the roof. 1, 2, go. Up. He out? He's out.
far corner on the right. Hey, watch the two-story building!
Not a best story, but it was amazing. You got it first.
Man, that sucked. I went back to go get more high cap magazines over.
Look at what I reverted to. Whoa.
Hello! That was a fun day at CQB City. Come on back next week for some more.
Like, we are experiencing technical difficulties. We will be back momentarily. Click.
Wait, your tooth got knocked out?
Ah, wear a mouth guard, okay? Mouth guard.
Oh, man. Gee, I wonder why.
Is this part gonna be on the video with me?
You know what's bad? The minute we left,
You going, wait, should I wear my camo or no?
YoSimJunkie.com, baby.
Oh, one more time. One more time.
Dude, that's impromptu, man. I can't do that.
One time only.